Hey guys, it's Susan. Thank you so much for stopping by Marytown. I just wanted to take a second to show you what I've been up to lately. I've been making these fall flowers with the now retired Ariana Bloom's die. What's more than retired, the Heartfelt Creations went out of business altogether, I guess. So I don't even know if this die is available anywhere. If it is, you might be able to find it on eBay. But like I said, it's called Ariana Bloom's. It's a pretty common die that a lot of people have. And at my local antique mall, I found this shaper mold. And I didn't shape all of these. I'll show you the ones that I did. But it's not specifically just for the Ariana Bloom's die. It's the 3D Floral Basics Shaping Mold. And I think it works with several of their flowers. And I'll show you what it does. There's a pretty good example. I hope that shows up good. Here's another one. It's funny, it almost makes it seem, the paper seems stronger. That's crazy, but it kind of does. Are there any others that I shaped? Yeah, this one. This one is just with the packaging that comes in the inside of the Amazon box. And I alternated it with some book pages, and then I found these. Where's another one? Just a wide variety, a huge assortment of these buttons at my local antique mall for a great deal. Super happy to find those. And on the backs, I haven't done this yet to all of them, but I just took a little circle punch, a small circle punch on the small ones, a bigger one on the larger ones. And at some point, I may decide to sell these. And if I do, I will put them in, you know, back them with some nice backing and kind of do like the recollections, you know, just put them in one of these envelope cellophane bags and attach the stuff you get at Dollar Tree, and probably put like 2 before I add the circle, and then another one that people can use to stick the flower on. Let's see, this one I did try adding some stamen, and I haven't done that very many times. It didn't come out great, but I'm going to keep trying to do that because that can be a pretty cool effect. They started white, and I added this metallic copper pen from Hobby Lobby, premium glossy paint marker, metallic copper. And these never come on sale, but boy, are they worth it to me. That's just one of my favorite pens ever. I just love the effect. Let me find the small one where it really shows up good. You can really just, love it, love it. Let's see, this one I added, let me show you good here, some little chain and a little key on the bottom of it, and just put a little paper round on the back to hold it on. And let's see, now this is like third time making this video, so I'm kind of mixing up what have I said, what have I not said. I don't know, have I already mentioned that on this one what I used for the sparkles is extra fine passion rose extra fine glitter that I got on clearance for 44 cents. And this one, I don't see it, but it's the exact same thing, but in, or is it? Wait a minute. No, that's not what I used in that one. What I used on this one is chipped sapphire stickles. That's what I used on that one. On this one, I used the same glitter in rose gold, 44 cents. But just some other ideas of things you could use these gilding flakes that I got this big jar for $3 at Dollar Tree. I think that's about the best you're going to do on those. And this glitter glue, I'm tempted to just try it out, but no, I'm not going to do it right now. But Dollar Tree, of course. And there's always, these have got to be every bit of 10 years old, these Tattered Angels. If I do, sorry for shaking, if I do ever dare to use these, what I'm going to do, since this is so old, is probably take and rinse out these with hot water first. And then the first couple of spritz, instead of just spraying it right off the bat directly on the flower and messing it up, spray it into the garbage can until I know I'm getting a nice good spray on it. But I'm going to go ahead and wrap it up for now, but I'll be back again soon with some more flowers. Thank you so much for stopping by. See you guys again soon.